Welcome to the Simple Living channel. Hi, I'm Lori, and this is my channel. I'm 65 and just a simple country girl. I grew up on a dairy farm in the 60s and 70s with my 3 brothers, 2 sisters, and our hardworking parents. Life back then was easy and simple. We didn't have a lot of fancy things and had to heavily rely on growing our own fruits and vegetables, producing our own meat sources, home baking and preserves, hand-me-downs, and entertaining ourselves. And yes, we drank milk straight from the cow. I've carried those lessons through my life into who I am today. In this channel, I'm going to share with you ideas on how to have easier and simple living, some stories and other life perspectives. Watch for some down-home good recipes, quick meal preparation ideas, gardening ideas, my thoughts around retirement planning and living, and maybe some other surprises. I hope you like my videos and that they will inspire and help you to have a simpler life. So stay tuned and keep watching.